All right, I have this Frida Baby electric nose Frida. Comes with this little carrying case. Inside you have the actual electric nose Frida device, and then you have the silicone tips, 2 different sizes looks like. For the nasal tip, they've included a brush to clean, as well as a USB-C charging cable. On the aspirator itself, you can see here, this is the USB-C charging port, and then you have the buttons along with the light button. This is the snot container, so you're gonna push it on just like this. Then you pick the size of the nasal tip. So my kid is about 10 months, so we're gonna pick the bigger one. The nasal tip just pushes on just like that. My device was not charged, so all you do is plug it in, your USB-C port, and you should see the light blinking, which means it's charging. Once it's charged, you hit the power button to turn it on. Plus button to increase the strength. There's this light that turns on, but it's not that bright. But it turns on as red, and then it turns, you can see different colors to kind of distract the kid. That's okay. Oh, yeah. So I didn't really get too much out. You can see some there, but then when you take this out, I guess some of it, for some reason, went into the back here, so you can see some collected right there. So yeah, I mean, it works pretty well. My kid didn't really have an issue with it. He wasn't fighting it too much. He actually enjoyed looking in the light and letting the suction thing do its thing. It's very gentle, very soft, really well made. Yeah, that's it for the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you found it helpful.